Going to Australia.
Take him to see a kangaroo.
What is this?
We should probably go.
What? You're my sweetheart.
Oh my god.
Coffee. You want coffee?
Don't do that in the wild if you see a dingo.
We're in Australia, baby! Woo!
2003 was the last time we were in Australia, one of our favorite countries in the world. Beauty, danger, adventure, and great people. What more can you ask for? Needless to say, our excitement could not be contained.
I am so excited to be back here. I love Australia. One of my favorite places ever.
So excited!
Our first day was in Fremantle, a funky hip part of Perth with cool shops and restaurants, plus history dating back to the 19th century.
So we're back in Perth, Australia. We haven't been here since 2003. We're back in a little town called Fremantle, which is really, really cool. Some cool
Known
shops.
as Frio!
Frio, yeah. It's got some
First
cool shops.
stop, coffee!
All right,
Woo!
coffee. Talking later.
It's November 29th here in Perth, Australia.
Yeah.
Fremantle. What date is it back home?
It's November 28th.
Did we time travel to the future?
Yeah, and here's Thursday and there's Wednesday.
How is that possible?
Where?
Yeah, we found a park here in Australia. Way different than the other parks in Paris and Florence and Thailand. Nah, they're all the same.
What is this?
Being in Australia less than 12 hours and I got a $50 parking ticket. Great.
We're a little tired from flying from Thailand, so we decided to take it easy the first couple of days and see Kings Park, a 400-hectare park overlooking Perth. And then see Perth Zoo, which has a lot of local wildlife.
All right, that's not that far. We gotta go down to here, right? Elevator bridge. That's not far.
We're right here.
I can't believe we're in Australia, baby! Woo! So many years ago, I didn't think we'd come back. Woo! I love it. Right, Mael?
Yeah.
Beautiful city. I love Perth.
Oh my god, it is
If you've
so
never been
beautiful.
here, you gotta come. Gotta come. We're in Kings Park right now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are at the largest park in the world. It's called Kings Park, pretty sure. We just went to an overhead bridge. It was beautiful, beautiful view. My dad flew his drone. It was okay. See you guys.
All right, I think we just found the best play park ever. It's crazy.
Oh my god.
Woo!
It is so good that I am gonna go on the equipment.
Yeah,
That's how
right.
good it is.
Go on it.
I
Right there.
am,
All
I
right,
know,
let's see
I
that.
always watch, but
I've never noticed this before, but crows here have blue eyes. Blue-eyed crow. You're my sweetheart.
oh my god.
What?
I didn't think this was happening.
Kings Park was a great way to relax and see the views of Perth and the unique foliage of Australia. Next is the Perth Zoo. Can't wait to see some roos!
Okay, so we're heading to the Perth Zoo, and what are you asking about, Mr. Campitelli?
Coffee. You want coffee?
Yeah, coffee. Coffee for the parents.
He wants coffee.
Coffee.
You look like you've had enough coffee.
Coffee.
We're at the zoo in Perth, and this is different than the one in Canada, in Calgary, because, well, we'll go see. I don't know why it's different. We'll see.
We should probably go.
Why?
There's something behind you.
You better run.
No, it's just a fake.
It's fake.
Oh, are here. And we want to go everywhere.
You have a knack for picking out monkeys. I think you're related. Learn about these African painted dogs?
They are unusual in that they take care of each other. So if an adult is sick, they stay with it. They don't run away, but it makes it an easy target. It's kind
All
of
right. I'm part dog then.
But mommy.
Really love these animals. They're so beautiful. We have to go to Africa, don't you think?
We gotta go to
Let's
Africa.
go.
You know what I like about this zoo? You get to get up close and personal with the animals. Like, look how close we are. Like, look how close. It's almost like you can touch them and pet them. Hyenas are kind of cute, I think.
You love
I like tortoises.
What's your tortoise dance?
Oh my gosh, Dad, come here, come here.
What?
Look at the monkey up there.
What the heck is a sun bear?
know,
I thought
I
all the
know.
bears are in Canada.
I guess not.
Look at him yawn.
I used to call my dad to the Tasmanian devil. Spins around. There's actually one right there.
You want a Billy Rob? You're so cute and fluffy.
Don't do that in the wild if you see a dingo. On our first kangaroo, and the kids are like, bam, they're
They're
gone.
so excited
So
that they
excited.
forgot that we didn't allow them to have the candy bags they wanted. They were all mad at us.
There's
But
your solution.
Oh, it's forgotten. You just need a room.
We've been traveling for 3 months now and have another 4 weeks left in Australia with lots of adventures planned. It was a nice change of pace just hanging out and doing normal family activities. Western Australia is so beautiful, we would recommend everyone to come here at least once. A must-do for your travel bucket list. Oh yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fun videos.
Happy